Good evening, everyone. It's so lovely to be here with everyone, and especially great to be a part of the Stylz for Kidz family. I'll reintroduce myself. I am Yakarah Stylz, and I've been an instructor with Stylz for Kidz for about 3 years. When I began here, it was only level 1 and 2 workshops. And that created a need for level 3 workshops and the online platform. We also have DIY team workshops, so the kids can learn how to do, help do their own hair. And also, another one of my favorite programs is the one-on-one training. Here, parents and caretakers can get styling and hair care instruction that's specific for their child's hair care needs. So, I'm gonna tell a little story. So, I'm gonna say right now in advance, excuse me, because it's kind of emotional. Thank you. So one day I had a one-on-one. It was an aunt and 2 sisters. Okay. Well, the cool thing about this and what was very different is that the grown-up was not getting the training this day. It was big sis. Okay. So. Auntie let big sis learn how to take care of her little sister's hair. And when they came in, they both looked terrified. Little sis looked like big sis has been pulling and tugging on her hair, and big sis looked like she was just totally overwhelmed with the whole situation. And as they went through the training, big sis learned that she could do this without being so overwhelmed. She learned that it could be easy. And little sis turned from terrified to like really happy. And she hugged her sister and told her, "Good job." Okay? And she told her sister that she trusted her with styling her hair now. She didn't trust her very much at first, but she trusts her now, and that's what was so great. And she gave her sister a big hug, and her big sister looked like she felt accomplished, like she really felt like she can do it now. Well, as Auntie was, we were going up front to finish up the end of the service. And Auntie told me that the girls had lost their mother 2 weeks prior. And the mother was the one who was taking care of her hair all the time, but Mom was gone. And that was like one of the responsibilities that they knew they had to make sure that the young lady's hair was kept. And so they found us. And I'm very, very happy that they did, because it helped us bring together families through hair care. So I just want to say thank you on behalf of Stylz for Kidz. Thank you for helping the families and just helping bring them together, because like togetherness is like, especially in these days and times, is what we need. And if we could do it through hair care, hey, we're happy about that. All right. So thank you so much for your support.